Hi all, this is Sri Sujeetha, working as an assistant professor in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department at Velalar College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see about the concept of stack in data structures. Data structure. Data structure is a specialized format designed to organize, store, process, and retrieve data efficiently in a computer's memory. The data structure broadly divided into two categories. One is linear data structure and another one is non-linear data structure. So the stack which comes under the concept of linear data structure. Here we see about what is linear data structure. Linear data structure means a data is arranged in linear sequence. Data items can be traversed in a single run. In linear data structure, elements can accessed or placed in contiguous memory location. Stack. Stack which comes under the concept of linear data structure. It means the elements are arranged in a sequential way or linear way. Stack is a linear list of items in which all additions and deletion operations are restricted to one end. It follows the concept of LIFO, L-I-F-O, last in first out. This means that the last thing we added or pushed is the first thing that gets pulled or popped off. A stack is a sequence of items that are accessible at only one end of the sequence. Next is operations. Stack may have a capacity which is a limitation on the number of elements in a stack. The operations we are performing on the stack are push operation. It means inserting a data or places an object on the top of the stack. Next operation is pop. Pop means deleting an object or data or removes an object from the top of the stack. And the conditions occurs are is empty and is full. Is empty and is full means it indicates when the stack is empty or the stack exceeds its limit. Here we are using the term top. Top which always keeps track of the topmost element in the stack. Now we are seeing a stack containing a number of elements A, B and C. Next we are going to insert an element D by using the push operation. The next step also we are inserting an element E into the stack by using the push operation. So if we are doing a pop operation, it always follows the concept of last in first out. So the element which inserted at last is the element which goes out or comes out first. So here we inserted an element E. So by using when we using the pop operation, it eliminates the E element. Next we are doing the pop. So in pop, the topmost element of the stack now is a D. So the D get deleted or eliminated from the stack. Now seeing algorithm of insertion in stack by using the push operation. In insertion function, A indicates an array used to store stack elements. Top indicates index of the current top element. Item indicates new element to be inserted. Max indicates maximum size of the stack. So first it checks whether the stack is full. If the stack is full means it print stack overflow and it get exist. Else it will increase the value of top by 1 and it creates a new top position. After that it store item at the top. Next, algorithm of deletion in stack using pop operation. In deletion function, A represents array representing the stack. Top indicates a pointer to the top element. Item indicates a variable used to store the deleted element. It checks if top equal to 0. Then it print stack underflow. It means there are no elements in the stack. And then it exit or stop the operation. If the stack is not empty, the top element is copied into item and the element is being removed. And then the top is decreased by 1. The stack now considers the Next element is the new top. Now the algorithm for display in stack. So the display operation is used to print all elements currently present in the stack from top to bottom. So we start with the display function. Here top indicates the index of the topmost element, and A of I, which means array used to store stack elements. I means loop variable. If there are no elements in the stack, nothing can be displayed. So if top equal to 0 means, or top equal to -1, it print the stack is empty and it exit. Else what it do is the stack follows the last in first in concept, so that the top element is displayed first until the top goes to 0, and then it exits the function. Applications of stack. Many applications follow the concept of stack. First one is evaluation of expressions. In evaluation of expressions, we are using conversion of infix to postfix expressions and computation of postfix expressions. And then parenthesis handling. Here, the stack we are used for balancing the parentheses. It checks whether the given expressions are balanced or not. And then the application is backtracking.